Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this curly headband wig that was sent to me from Luvme hair. Now this is the hair straight out of the box. It's nice and tightly coiled, and before I put it on, I wanted to show you guys the inside. It comes with 4 combs, one on each side and then one at the top and the bottom, and then it also comes with this velcro straps. You can tighten it to your desired head shape. Now when you do get the wig, it comes with 2 headbands. I got this really pretty floral one, and then this is the other one that I got. Now I will say that they're very stretchy and comfortable. Now underneath my wig, I just decided to put on a wig cap, and I have my hair braided straight back, and then I just decided to do my edges before this video just to add a little pizzazz. And now that I have the wig on my head, I'm just going to go ahead and tighten the straps in the back. And now that I have it nice and tightly secured, I'm just going to go ahead and start adding water to my hair. I really just wanted to show you guys what it looks like nice and wet straight out of the box. Now, once I was done wetting it, I just couldn't keep my hands out of my hair. I was so happy with the results, you guys. The hair looks so pretty. I loved it. Now that I'm done, I wanted to show you guys what it looked like from each side, because you guys can wear it either in a middle part or on a side part, however you guys like it. So this is what it looks like from this side, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it over and show you guys what it looks like on the other side. Like, you guys can do a lot of different hairstyles with this hair. It just has so much versatility. And I also wanted to show you guys what the different headbands look like. This is what the floral one looked like. I love it. And then this is what the other one looked like. Personally, I think this one is my favorite, but they're both really cute. Now, obviously, I can't keep my hands out of my hair. Now I'm going to show you guys some different styles with this wig. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on this headband wig. See you guys in my next video.